Hello ladies and gentlemen, what's up? This is Papa Bale. Welcome to the channel. Okay, so this is my 6 magnet rotor with 2 SG circuits running 2 Bedini coils, 20 gauge and 30 gauge trigger strands. The trigger coils are hooked up. And it gave me a great idea for my piston mechanism that I want to use for my permanent magnet motor. And that's, okay, so it pushes, and then the top pushes, and then so it'll, every time it hits, all the magnets that are on the rotor will hit. Okay, and then when it's off, or when the arms pumps back, gets pushed back. Okay, and when it gets pushed, okay, it gets pushed back and in, boom, and then there should be like right about here, you know, it just pushes the edge, and then it's moving back before it gets attracted to the next magnet. See, so it's a mechanism that every other forces the magnet out. Well, it's hard to describe this. I'd have to draw it, and maybe when I draw it, I already will see that it doesn't work, but because it's not really a piston, it's just a flywheel that, and it's me and a buddy, like, we're talking about this. It's just a flywheel that gets pushed, and it has an arm on it, and then it'll get pushed and come back in, and the flywheel mechanism will force it back in because it's a flywheel, right? And it's got some kinetic energy built up from the motion, so it'll use force to do it the next one, and then the next one, and the next one. Now it should get faster even, but there's going to be a cap, the potential cap of, you know, this force at this angle, and you'll get a max Q. You won't be able to get any stronger than that. That'll produce your max, you know, your force, your torque, all that stuff. And yeah, there's a limitation to how strong that will be. But I bet we could get it going pretty fast if I can build that mechanism. And what it does is it fits right on the, goes right where the stator goes, except it's got a magnet on it, and it moves back and forth like this, and there's a bunch of them. Now, whether we should stagger it, have it all hit at the same time, you know, I don't know that exactly, but I do know that this piston or flywheel mechanism should work to make it move. I don't know if it'll move forever or even move past the first segment, but, you know, it'll make it move. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that idea for permanent magnet motor, like a Stirling generator wheel for each magnet, you know. So I'm gonna put 6 volts in. Oh yeah, we were gonna put the cores in, weren't we? All right, so let me stop this thing. I think my phone's ringing, but I can't do anything about that right now. Be right back. Hey, we're back. All right, so I got the cores in. These are 40% iron, 60% PLA. It's the strongest I could find when I bought them. All right, so here we go. We're going to jack it up a little bit. Put 5.5 in. Now I see it right off the bat that the more amps that are generated from the trigger coils, the way it's set up, yeah, that's good. More amps the better, but we're only drawing 0.3 right now. All right, now we're 6.64 in. 0.5 amps. 7.5 in. I'm thinking about changing it to a 4-magnet rotor, so this is okay. And we're not really drawing more amps. We got 0.6 amps, 9 volts in. Let's check the speed though. 718, yeah, that's not it. Let's give it some time then. Maybe we turn it up to 10 volts in between 9 and 12. Ten volts, 0.7 amps. Let's check it out. 765. 765. Gotta wait. I don't like how close those wires are. And they're really thin too, so. 737. No, 773. My bad. All right, I'm gonna go up to 10.5. .800 RPMs. .807. We're gonna call it right now. 807. 10 volts in. 0.8 amps. It's pretty fun. Heck yeah. We're going to change it to 4 magnets though. Let's shift some stuff around. We're going to take care of that. I'm going to go 4 magnets and I'll be right back. Well, actually, I'll see y'all later. Peace out. Have a good night. Please subscribe. Bye now.